Then we continue our chapter. In 1934, the Indian National Congress made the demand for a constitution assembly during the Second World War. This assertion for an independent constitution assembly by format only of Indians gained momentum, and this was the convent in December 1946. The photo on page 2 shows some members of the Constitution Assembly between December 1946 and November 1949. The Constituent Assembly drafted a constitution for independent India, free to shape their density at their shapes of their destiny at last after 150 years of British rules. The member of the Constitution Assembly approached this task with the great idealism that the freedom struggle and helped produce. You will read more about the work of Constitution Assembly later in this chapter. The photo alongside show Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru addressing the Constitution's Assembly. This is the picture, you have to see this, जिसमें हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर जवाहरलाल नेहरू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के रिगार्डिंग एक मतलब उन्होंने एक तरीके अप्रोच रखी थी कि हमें हमारे भारत के लिए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की ज़रूरत है, जिसके लिए 1934 में इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस ने डिमांड रखी और इसी के तहत हमारे भारत के अंदर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना। ठीक है, और 1946 दिसंबर और नवंबर के बीच में ये सारी चीज़ें ड्राफ्ट होकर एक स्वतंत्र भारत में देखने को मिली, क्योंकि हमने 150 ईयर्स किसके ब्रिटिश रूल के अंडर में निकाले थे। वी फ्री टू शेप देयर डेस्टिनी, सो वी वांट आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, सो वी डिमांड टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली इन सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर। ओके, देन the country of Nepal has witnessed several people struggle for democracy. There was a people struggle in 1990, the stabilized democracy, the latest 12 years until 2002. In October 2002, King Gyanendra city is the most upside in the countryside as this reason began taking over different aspects of the government with the army assistance. The king then finally took over the head of government in February 2005. In November 2005, the Maoists joined the political parties to sign 12 points agreement. This agreement signaled to the large people an imminent return to the democracy and peace. In 206, this people movement for the democracy began gaining immense forces. It is respectively refused all constitution of king made. वहाँ पे तानाशाही थी, सभी को पता है नेपाल में, लेकिन 1990 में इस चीज़ के लिए उन्होंने 12 साल लगा दिए थे और 2002 में अक्टूबर 2002 में उन्होंने इस चीज़ के लिए क्या किया, डेमोक्रेसी की मांग रखी। और 2006 दिस पीपल मूवमेंट डेमोक्रेसी बिगेन gaining the force. April 2006, the king restored the third parliament and asked the political parties from a government. In 2008, Nepal became a democracy after abolishing monarchy. The above photo shows scenes for the people movement of democracy in 2006. This is the rules for try to understand what we mean through the Nepals. Okay, this is the recent history of the Nepal. Okay everyone, that's all. If anything else you have to ask me in our next class. That time stay safe and please follow the guideline. Thank you everyone.